Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Are you ready to unlock the secrets of a fast track to fitness? If you're a newbie in the world of workouts and exercise, you've come to the right place. In this action-packed video, I'm going to reveal the essential guide to get you on the path to a healthier, fitter you. But here's the catch. I'll be sharing some mind-blowing facts and figures that will leave you wanting more. So strap in, because we're about to dive deep into the world of fitness. Did you know that 80% of adults don't get the recommended amount of exercise? Shocking, right? But fear not, my friends, because today I'm going to equip you with all the tools you need to become a fitness superstar. We're going to cover everything from setting goals to creating effective workout routines, and I'll be sharing the secrets of the most successful fitness junkies out there. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me drop another bombshell on you. Did you know that just 30 minutes of moderate exercise every day can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke? That's right. By dedicating just half an hour of your day to physical activity, you're taking a massive leap towards a healthier future. Now I bet you're wondering, how can I make the most of those precious minutes? Don't worry, my friends, I've got you covered. We'll explore the most effective exercises for beginners, including bodyweight workouts that require no fancy equipment. You'll learn how to target specific muscle groups and boost your metabolism to burn fat like a furnace. But that's not all. We'll delve into the world of nutrition and unveil the secrets of a well-balanced diet. Did you know that eating the right foods can turbocharge your fitness journey? From proteins that repair muscles to complex carbs that fuel your workouts, we'll uncover the ultimate fueling strategies to enhance your performance. So stay tuned, because this video is packed with invaluable tips, tricks, and insights to fast-track your fitness journey. Whether you're looking to shed those extra pounds, build strength, or simply improve your overall well-being, this is the ultimate guide you've been waiting for. Get ready to take the leap towards a fitter, healthier you. Let's do this. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive deeper into the specific exercises that will skyrocket your fitness progress. Did you know that high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, has been proven to burn more calories in a shorter amount of time compared to steady-state cardio? That's right. By incorporating short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods, you can supercharge your calorie burn and boost your metabolism for hours after your workout. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about strength training. Many newbies shy away from lifting weights, fearing they'll end up looking bulky. Well, fear not. Strength training is essential for building lean muscle mass, increasing your metabolism, and achieving that toned, sculpted physique you've always desired. And here's an interesting fact for you. For every pound of muscle you gain, your body burns an additional 50 calories per day at rest. That adds up fast. Now let's switch gears and talk about the importance of recovery. Did you know that your muscles actually grow and get stronger during the rest periods between workouts? It's true. That's why it's crucial to prioritize sleep, nutrition, and active recovery techniques like stretching and foam rolling. By giving your body the time and nutrients it needs to repair and rebuild, you'll be setting yourself up for long-term success. But hold on, my friends, we're not done yet. In our next video, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of fitness gadgets and technology. We'll explore the latest wearable devices, fitness apps, and cutting-edge equipment that can take your workouts to the next level. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the most exciting part of our Fast Track to Fitness series. Remember, my friends, getting fit is a journey, not a destination. By implementing the tips and strategies I've shared with you today, you're well on your way to transforming your life and achieving the body of your dreams. But there's still so much more to learn, so many exciting discoveries ahead. So join me in the next video as we uncover the secrets of fitness technology. Until then, keep pushing, keep sweating, and keep striving for greatness. Stay tuned and stay motivated. I'll see you in the next one.